Motion is the change of position of an object with respect to time. The rate of change of displacement is known as velocity.
What is acceleration?
The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration.
What is speed?
The distance covered divided by the time taken is known as speed.
SI unit of speed. SI unit of speed.
Meter per second.
Higher unit of speed.
Kilometer per hour.
What is motion?
Motion is the movement of an object with respect to time.
Most motions are gas.
Relative.
Complex. Difference between speed and velocity.
Speed is the total time taken by the speed is the total distance by total time, whereas velocity is the rate of change of displacement. In speed, the displacement does not matter, but in velocity, displacement does.
What is acceleration and what is the SI unit of acceleration?
The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration, and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square.
Difference between uniform motion and non-uniform motion, and give an example of it.
When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to have an uniform motion. For example, when an object covers, like if a car travels 5 kilometers in each hour, then it is said to have a uniform motion. Whereas non-uniform motion is said to be when an object covers unequal distance at equal intervals of time. For example, same car, if it covers 5 kilometers in 1 hour, 6 kilometers in next 1 hour, and 7 kilometers in next 1 hour, and so on. So here the distance covered by the object is unequal. So this is an example of non-uniform motion.
The velocity of an object can be dash or dash.
It can be uniform or non-uniform.
Uniform or variable.
Non-uniform.
Velocity is the speed of an object moving in dash direction.
Single direction. So acceleration can be classified into two types. Uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. So if an object, when the velocity of a body changes in equal amounts in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in uniform acceleration. But if the velocity of the body changes in unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, then the object is said to have non-uniform acceleration. So when an object moves along a straight line with uniform acceleration, it is possible to relate its velocity, acceleration during motion, and the distance covered by it in certain time interval by a set of equations. These set of equations are known as equations of motion. So there are three equations of motion. First, V is equal to U plus AP. Where U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, V is the final velocity, T is time and S is distance covered by the object. Distance covered by the object. S is the distance covered by the object in time. So with this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you. So from here, we can conclude that distance is the actual length covered by an object, while displacement is the shortest distance measured from the initial to the final position. Thus, we can get that two different physical quantities, that is distance and displacement, are very much important to describe the overall motion of the object. Uniform and non-uniform motion. For example, if an object covers 5, if an object here, the object covers 5 meter of distance from 1 second, in 2 seconds the object covers another 5 meter, and in 3 seconds it covers another 5 meter, and in 4 meter it covers another 5 meter. Here, the distance covered by the object is uniform. Hence, this object is in uniform motion. If the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in uniform motion. But if the object covers 5 meter in 1 second, 6 meter in another 1 second, 7 meter in another 1 second, and 8 meter in another 1 second. So here, the distance covered by the object is non-uniform. Hence, the object is in non-uniform motion. If an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in non-uniform motion. Speed. Speed is the distance covered by an object in a unit time. So if an object travels at distance t in time t, so the speed v would be d by t. Or in simple words, we can say that speed is the total distance covered by the time taken. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. In other units, that is CGS, we can represent it as centimeter per second, and in higher units we can write it as kilometer per hour. So the speed of an object need not to be constant, and to specify the speed of an object, we only need to find out its magnitude. Average speed. So as we have already discussed, that speed of an object need not to be constant. So in most cases, the distance covered by the objects will be non-uniform. So here, to describe the speed of such non-uniform motion, we have average speed. Average speed is the total distance covered by total time taken. So now we know about speed. When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. That is, when an object covers unequal distance of time in equal time interval, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. What is displacement? The shortest measure from the initial to the final point is known as displacement. What is the formula of average speed? It's total distance traveled by total time taken.
What is the formula of average velocity?
It's u plus v by 2, whereas u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity.
What is the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion?
When an object travels equal distance in equal amount of time, then it is said to be in uniform motion, whereas when an object travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion.
What is displacement?
The shortest measure taken from the initial to the final position is known as displacement.
What is the formula of average speed?
It's total distance traveled by total time taken.
Explain the rate of the change of velocity.
The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. That is final velocity minus initial velocity by time. In mathematically, we can present that A is equal to V minus U by T.
Is it possible that the speed of an object may vary with its distance?
Yeah.
What is the SI unit of acceleration?
It's meter per second square.
What can be motion described as?
Motion can be simply defined as the rate of change of position of an object with respect to time.
Motion can be described as change in distance moved or displacement. What does the type of motion the object has depends upon?
It depends upon its.
It depends upon if the velocity is constant or changing. What is acceleration
Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity of an object.
or unit time? When an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, what is this motion called?
Circular motion.
Uniform circular motion. The magnitude of displacement equal to the distance traveled along which axis? Y axis. What does the odometer measure? Measures.
Actual length covered by an object where displacement is the shortest measure of a distance from its initial point to the final point.
SI unit of speed.
It's meter per second.
What is average speed?
Average speed is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken.
What is acceleration?
Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity.
Difference between scalar and vector quantity.
Scalar quantity are quantities that contain only magnitude, whereas vector quantities are those which contain both distance and magnitude.
What is average velocity?
Average velocity is the initial velocity plus final velocity divided by which can be represented as the arithmetic mean of the initial velocity as the final velocity.
What is retardation? Is the negative
Its speed is great, 30 meter per second or 30 kilometer per second, which is greater, 30 kilometer per second. What is acceleration?
Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity.
What is vector quantity?
Vector quantity are the quantities that contain both magnitude and distance.
Define uniform speed.
When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to have an uniform motion.
Difference between accelerated and deaccelerated.
Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration usually takes place in positive quantity, whereas deacceleration is known as the negative acceleration, where it is represented in negative quantity.
Define scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity are the quantity where it contains only magnitude.
When final and initial position is the same, the displacement is zero. When can be deacceleration zero?
When the final velocity of an object is zero.
What kind of quantity, time and force is respectively?
They are scalar quantities.
Force is
4 is vector quantity, time is scalar quantity.
when brake is applied, what is the final velocity?
It's 0.
How to find distance if time and speed is given?
If time and speed are given, we know that distance, speed is equal to distance by time. So to find the distance, we can multiply speed and time.
What is the CGS unit of speed?
It's centimeter per second. Good evening all. Today we are here on this seminar on subject physics and the topic is motion. So first of all, motion is nothing but motion is the change of the position of an object with respect to time. In today's topic of seminar, we are going to cover motion of objects along a straight line and express such motions with some simple equations. So first of all, to describe motion, we need its origin. So origin, to describe a position of an object, we need a specified reference point. So that particular reference point is known as origin. Motion along a straight line. For example, this is a straight line. If we take this point as O, C, B, and D. So if an object moves from point O to point D and again comes back to point C, so the distance of this object would be O plus OT plus BC, that is equal to 40 plus 8, 20. But the displacement of the object is not the same. Displacement of the object is OC, that is only 8 cm. So from here, we can conclude that distance is the actual length of an object where square minus u square is equal to 2as or v square is equal to u square plus 2as.
What happens to velocity in non-uniform motion?
The velocity remains non-uniform.
Define velocity.
Velocity is the rate of change of displacement.
Difference between distance and displacement.
Distance is the actual length covered by an object, where displacement is the shortest distance measured from the initial to the final velocity.
Define acceleration.
Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity.
Difference between uniform and non-uniform motion.
When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, the object is said to have a uniform motion, whereas when an object covers unequal amount of time in unequal distance in equal interval of time, that is said to have a non-uniform motion.
Convert 1 kilometer per hour to meter per second.
So to convert 1 kilometer for 1 hour, we need to multiply 1 kilometer into 1000, division 1 hour into 36.
5 by 18 meter per second. How can we find average velocity of an object?
Average velocity is the sum of the initial and the final velocity and its arithmetic, that is v plus u by v.
Which instrument is used to find distance in kilometer per hour?
Sorry.
Which instrument is used to find distance in kilometer per hour?
Odometer.
Kilometer. Sorry. 2as is equal to
2as is equal to v square minus u square.
what is the use of odometer?
Odometer sees the distance of the vehicle.
To measure distance in kilometer. How to find distance of an object?
Sorry.
How to find distance of an object?
Distance is the actual length covered by the object.
Formula. S is equal to.
Oh, formula. S is equal to ut plus half ms. Before knowing about the the speed with direction, we need to come across displacement. As we have discussed earlier, displacement is the shortest distance measured from the initial to the final position. Or in simple words, we can say that displacement is the measure of change in position of a body in a particular direction. So, here we come across another unit, that is velocity. In simple words, we can say that velocity is the rate of change of displacement, and velocity can be either be uniform or be non-uniform. So velocity can be V is equal to displacement by time. So the velocity of an object can be changed by either changing its direction or its speed, or both the direction and speed. So as we have discussed that velocity can either be uniform or non-uniform. So when a particular object is moving in a particular direction along a straight line, then the average velocity would be total distance, total displacement by the total time taken. But in case the velocity of an object is changing at uniform rate, then the average velocity of the object can be the arithmetic mean of the initial velocity and the final velocity. That is, we can mathematically represent it as u plus v division. In uniform motion in straight line, the velocity remains constant with time, but in non-uniform motion, velocity varies with time. Rate of change of velocity, that is acceleration. Acceleration is the measure of change in velocity of an object per unit time, or in simple words, we can say that the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. So acceleration can be mathematically represented as E is equal to v minus u by t, where v is equal to final velocity and u is equal to initial velocity.